Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Welcome back. I hope you subscribed to this channel and you went back here to look up this tutorial on Burning Down from Alex Warren. Alright, so dramatic song, Alex Warren, Burning Down. Let's take a look at this one with the capo set on the first fret. So with that set up, we have 6 easy chords. Let's go over the chords like we normally do, starting with A minor. All right, so A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is C, and that goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have D minor, that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have a bar chord, the F, where you play the bar with the ending strainer on the first fret, and you bar all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have G, and that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and then the final chord only used once in the song, it's the D-F chord. And what you do here from the G, because it comes right after, is to just recuperate your fingers to this position. Okay, so that will be second on E, open A, open D, second G, third B, and third E. Alright, so we have all the chords needed now. Let's go into the actual song. I can right now mention we're gonna work with just straight downs. So no need for going over any strumming patterns, so just straight downs. So we can start immediately with the verse. And one chord progression here will be A minor, 8 downs, C, 8 downs, D minor, 8 downs, and A minor, 8 downs. That's the first half of it. The second half will be A minor, 8, C, 8, D minor, 8, and F, 8. Okay? So it's just the ending that differs. Instead of A minor 8, you have F8 in the end there. So, yeah, enough of chit chat. Let's play and let's go through this. I'm going to speak me while we're playing. So, A minor 8, C8, D minor 8, A minor 8. Again, A minor 8, C8, D minor 8, and now F8. Alright, you're gonna play it for only one, this chord progression, and that's it. Over now to the pre-chorus, and that pre-chorus is played only here, at this point between the first verse and the first chorus. So what you're gonna do here is to continue the downs, of course. You're gonna play A minor 8, G8, and now comes the D, F8, and then one down on the F with a pause, and that's it. So A minor, G, D, F, one down on F, and the pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus. All right, so now we have the chord progression that goes F, 3 downs, C, 5 downs. So in total that will be 8. So F and C, total 8, where you split after 3. So F3, C5, G3, and A minor 5. And that is one chord progression, okay? So F3, C5, G3, A minor 5. You're gonna play this for 4 chord progression rounds. And then on the last round there, the 4th round, when you come to G, you just play that for 8 downs in total. You just take away the A minor, the final round there, and just play G8. That is how the 4th and final round ends. So I'm gonna take you through 2 rounds now. Round number 3 and round number 4, so you get the ending as well. Let's do it together. that was round number 3 and 4. And that ended the first round, the first chorus. Now over to the second round of everything. You're gonna play the exact same way when it comes to the second verse. And remember, we don't have any pre-chorus now, so you just jump right into the second chorus. And that is played exactly in the same way as the first one. No changes there. All right, then after the second chorus, about 1 minute and 46 seconds into the song, comes the bridge part. Okay, so now you're gonna play this 3-5-3-5 pattern, but different chords. You're gonna play D minor, 3 downs, C, 5 downs, and then G, 3 downs, and A minor, 5 downs. So instead of having F as in the chorus, you play now with D minor. You're gonna play this for 4 rounds. And same here, when you come to the 4th round, instead of playing G3, A minor 5, you play G8. Okay? I don't think we have to go over this. We just learned it pretty much in the chorus. You just replace the F with the D minor here in the bridge parts. After that, you have the final parts of the song, the 3rd chorus. And you're going to play that in the exact same way as the previous choruses. The only difference here is it's twice as long. So you're going to play for 8 rounds. 8 rounds of this with G8 in the end there. And that is how you handle Alec Warren's Burning Down. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I hope it was helpful. That's my mission, to educate you, give you some great songs to work with, but the main focus is to better up your guitar playing skills. So I hope I succeeded with that. And yeah, feel free to support me here. Helps me a lot with the algorithm and gives me motivation to go on to see this family growing and yeah, just be better, everybody. So thank you so much. And until next time, play tuned.